Where can you buy Irish language books? If you are curious about where to find Irish language books, you are in for a treat. The Irish language is rich with culture and tradition, and there are many ways to access books that celebrate this heritage. Let's take a look at some great options available to you. First, if you enjoy the convenience of shopping online, Litriact is a fantastic choice. This online bookstore specializes in Irish language books for all ages. They have a wide selection, from children's stories to adult literature, and they deliver right to your home. If you prefer the feel of a physical bookshop, you have several wonderful options in Ireland and Northern Ireland. And See-Through Poily in Belfast is an independent shop located in Culterland Macadam O'Acute Fiach. This store offers a variety of Irish language books and is a lovely place to visit if you are in the area. Another great spot is in Siúpa Gaeilge in Donegal. This shop is run by Odias Gael, an organization that has been teaching the Irish language to adults since 1984. They focus on materials for learners, children, and even traditional music resources. You can also check out mainstream bookstores like Eason's. While they may not have as extensive a collection as specialized shops, they do carry a selection of Irish language books, including children's titles. This can be a good option if you are looking for something specific. If you find yourself in Dublin, make sure to visit Conra na Gaeilge. They operate an Irish language bookshop at 6 Harcourt Street. It is open from Monday to Saturday, making it a convenient stop for anyone exploring the city. Lastly, Siúpa and Carn is another online store worth mentioning. They offer a range of Irish language books, including grammar guides and beginner materials. This is a great resource if you are looking for educational materials. With these options, you can easily find Irish language books whether you are in Ireland or shopping online. Each place offers a unique selection that reflects the vibrant Irish language culture and traditions. So, dive into the world of Irish literature and enjoy the journey.